Hello friends, today our topic is post request. So a post request is used to send data to the server, example user info, files, etc. with the help of different format. So for current testing, we are going to use the same URL we have used for get, and then we will create a post request with the help of this JSON body, and we will use this URL and the endpoint for the testing purpose. So let me switch to the Postman first. So for the post request, what we need to do, we have to click on this plus icon again. Thereafter, we need to select the request as a post. Then we have to put the URL again, http. You can also mention the S, which is basically explain about the secure services, and then we can put the colon. Then we have double slash reqres dot in slash API slash users. So this will be the URL, and then you have to click on this body where we have different types of option available, which I have already explained you. In this testing type, I am going to use raw. Thereafter, by default, it is accepting like test format. We have to click on this and select the JSON format. Then we can provide the body of the request. So to start with, we have to use double curly braces, and inside it, we need to put this like the key will be here name colon, and the value will be my CS hub. Thereafter, we need to separate the other key value with the help of comma. Again, job, and the value will be testing tutorial. So this is the basic body format we are going to use for the testing purpose of that of this particular post request. And then when we create this JSON body, we need to make like we need to hit this send button, and based on that, we will get some response body. So as we have already studied about the 201 request, which basically means created. So we have created a body, which basically explain about the name, which is MyCSF, job is testing tutorial, ID is this one, and we have also the time of the request we have created. So for same, while testing API, you have to make sure the key value format will be provided by the development team. Like how, what is the key? The value, of course, you have to provide whatever you want. There might be some strength, like which type of data it will accept, and the key name will be same as asked by the developer. The format I can explain you will same as per provided by the developer. So generally we will have some contract. The contract is provided by the development team, and we have to follow those contracts. And based on those contracts, we can create the API request. So those contracts will include like authentication, which type of authentication we are going to use, what will be the method name, method types, what will be the base URL, what will be the environment variables, which type of body it will accept, what will be the request like header it requires, what will be the params it requires. So those details will be provided by the development team, and based on those requests, both based on those contracts, we have to create the request, and we have to test the API. Now we should expect something based on the request. We have to expect something, like we have some expected result over here. So as soon as we hit this send button, we are expecting like the status code should be 201, which we are getting right now, and the body should be same as per provided format by the development, or the data is same as you have provided. If you are getting something else in this section, the API will be failed. So you have to make sure whether you are getting the proper status code, proper response or not. Then we can also see the time taken by the API, how much response, how much time it will like it required to process the request and to give us the response. So these are also these details will also be mentioned in the contract provided by the development team, and based on that we have to perform the testing on it.